Hi guys, come and watch me create this gorgeous glow-in-the-dark spider. First we're going to start with buff and we need 2 coats curing for 60 seconds in between each coat of our pop or on your nail. Then we're going to go in with hollow silver top coat. I've chosen this because it's a really lovely background effect and it really does capture the light. As you can see here, it's so stunning. This is the second coat and we are curing that for 60 seconds in between each coat. Then we're going to add Glow, which is our brand new glow-in-the-dark top coat. This is clear and will work over any nail design. It looks no different during the day, but at night it comes out. This needs curing for 60 seconds in your lamp. And then we're going to go over with High Shine top coat just to seal all of that in before we go to the next step. I am using black detail paint and I'm going to start with my spider's body first and the head, and I'm just going to get a gauge for how big I want this spider and what kind of shape it's going to take. Then we're going to add the legs. As you can see here, I have looked at some realistic spiders just to kind of get an idea, but you can just have a bit of fun at this point. Whilst the detail paint is still wet, we're going to use our dotting tool and we're just going to dot each individual leg to give it this spider effect. As you can see here. Then, whilst this is still wet, we are going to use Midnight Glitter. You can find this at HONA as well. I'm using this scooping tool just so I can collect a lot of glitter and then I can tap it on top of the wet black detail paint. As you can see here, I'm tapping a few of the excess bits off, but don't worry too much. Once that's cured, it's going to stick. This needs to cure for 60 seconds in your lamp, and then as you can see with this fluffy brush, we are just taking off any excess that is not sticking to the black detail paint. And there we have that final look. It was so easy to do. I'm now adding just a few little details just to add that last effect. And here's the final look. These are my spooky glittery spiders. On the other nails, I have used Disguise, which is a black glitter detail paint from the Masquerade collection. They are reflective glitters and it really adds to that spooky effect. This is the reflective glitter. Once the flash hits it, I am obsessed and I'm in love. And this is how the glow in the dark is working. As you can see here, that spider is popping behind that glow in the dark top coat.